Good Wednesday afternoon, everybody. August 15th, 2018. Welcome in to another edition of Talking Fitchburg. Jeremy Crosby here, not Andrew Bamlett. You had the Bamlinator yesterday hosting the show, and I have to say I watched the headlines. It was good, Andrew. You don't give yourself enough credit, buddy. Come on. The
okay.
Andrew Scott Show. I like it.
Yeah, that was just me. I was here by myself doing that. Because that was before Scott. That was not live. I'll tell you that right now.
It wasn't live?
I don't do live.
What are you talking about?
I don't do live.
What are you talking about?
Oh,
it was
I
live.
Don't do live.
Oh, he doesn't know what he's talking about.
It was live to tape before being live.
Live to tape.
Yeah.
Wow.
There you go.
Way to wreck it.
That's my answer.
Jeez. Way to wreck it.
You're welcome.
Well, now you're back at the controls today. You have nothing to worry about. Back to normal. And, yeah, you've got to control a really busy show today, Andrew.
Yeah.
A busy one.
A lot of graphics today.
There is a lot of graphics. A lot of stuff to get to today.
Yes.
We'll get right to it. Cut to the chase, as they say. And coming up on the show, we've got get you updated on headlines. Some events coming up here in the next couple of days. We're just all over the place today with your headlines, so you're going to want to tune in for that. And then a little bit later, friend from just down the street. It's Kate from the Fitchburg Chamber. She'll be stopping in, getting us ready for concerts and other fun activities here in the city of Fitchburg. It's always happening place here. We'll get you updated on that front. And in the digest today, a special look at talking about helping prevent from your child going missing. Now, I know that sounds a little weird, but trust me, you're going to want to stay tuned for this. We'll give you some good tips here that I found as we're getting back into the school year. And guess what, Andrew? It surrounds planning.
Nice.
It's all about the planning.
Sounds good to me.
All right, let's kick things off here, starting your headlines today. Fitchburg Farmers Market's where you're going to want to be at tomorrow, as it's the annual pig roast. Who doesn't like a good pig roast? And how about this? You can call ahead, so you could have your dinner ready to go. So do that, and then stop on by, pick up the order, plus pick up some goods from the Fitchburg Farmers Market. What a good idea. I know Andrew and I will be there, because I say it. I say maybe I'll buy him dinner. Not the whole family, though, Andrew.
Oh, I was going to say,
I can't feed the whole barn. No way. No way. Or maybe. We'll see. See what type of mood I'm in tomorrow.
There you go.
All right. Either way, coming down to Agora Pavilion. And, yeah, you can check out 25 vendors from across southern Wisconsin selling anything and everything your heart desires. And that pig roast is a fundraiser for the Verona Road Business Coalition. So stop on by. You know, it's just going to be fun. There's going to be lots of activities. And cold beverages as well. So that's the secondary reason I'm taking Scott down there. So I'm like going field trip with the whole staff tomorrow, Andrew. It's going to be great. You're going to hold me to this, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You should have been questioning me because I'm off tomorrow.
See, I wouldn't have known that until you just told me.
All right, next story. Coffee with the Cop. It's coming up here at the Fitchburg Senior Center Tuesday, August 21st. Stop in for a hot cup of coffee and talk with the Fitchburg police officers. Come with your questions, comments, or complaints. They'll take them all. Stop on by. We saw this last month. It's a good opportunity to, again, talk to the officers. And we got some friendly ones here in Fitchburg. If you haven't met them yet, this is your opportunity to do so. All right, Verona Road Project Quarterly Open House is coming. Why don't you get this on your calendar? This is on September 20th. From 5:30 to 7:30 p.m. at the Verona Road Project Field Office, 6200 Nesbitt Road, right in the construction area there. Join the Verona Road Project team for one of their quarterly open houses. They'll be discussing the design construction activities. No formal meeting here, but just feel free to stop in at your convenience, and you'll get updated. And of course, we'll be there. We'll put those guys under the lights and ask them what's happening. What has happened and what will be happening as they go into the fall season. A lot of stuff happening there, so it'll be good to get the update. All right. Speaking of construction, our friends from the Wisconsin Department of DOT putting out a reminder that keep your head up, your phone's down when you're in construction zones. That's right. You're already navigating narrow shifting lanes when you're driving through a work zone, but do you really need the extra distractions? The answer is no. Considered that between 2012 and 2017, distracted driving caused 17 deaths and 1,041 injuries in Wisconsin work zone crashes. That's way too many. Please give your undivided attention to the road. You have one job when you're behind the wheel, and that is to drive. State law also prohibits drivers using handheld cell phones in work zones. You will get a ticket. So buckle up, and again, heads up, phone down. All right, you may have been asking what's been going on at the Badger Prairie Needs Network. They've been doing some digging over there. We've got a picture and a question. What's happening at BPNN? Andrew, do you know?
I don't.
Construction broke ground this week on a new warehouse work area off the back of the food pantry. Last year, BPN's pantry served more than 3,700 local households and over 13,300 individuals. That's impressive. The warehouse space will allow us to take advantage of limited availability on seasonal items and help them be more efficient in managing inventory. This phase 1 next month will break ground on enormous cooler space that will dramatically increase capacity for food recoveries. This is all possible thanks to the Green Bay Tailgate Tour and our sponsors and volunteers who are generally donated and helped out. So great to see those funds being used, and we'll keep you updated on that project. Maybe we can get you a tour out there if we can, right? It'll be good. All right, last but not least, if you're keeping up on your Dane County board and what they're doing, well, they're going outdoors. This caught my attention, so I had to throw it in here. That's right. The Dane County Board of Supervisors, they're heading outdoors. Their next meeting, they're going to be at Indian Lake County Park. This will be the first time in modern memory, it says, that Dane County Board will hold its regular meeting in a natural setting. The board on Thursday will gather in the new shelter at Indian Lake Park off of Wisconsin Highway 19. And the meeting begins at 7 p.m. So if you're interested to, see the park plus see a board meeting, that's probably the best way to do it, right? You can maybe bring a picnic or something. I don't know. It'll just work. That's all I can say. All right, that does it for your headlines. Coming up next, we're opening up the Fitchburg Digest. And with back to school coming up here, got a great piece to share with you about helping to prevent your kid from missing. And you're going to want to take these safety tips to the bank. Trust me. That's next right here on Talking Fitchburg.